As you move along this course, you're going to notice we come back to one thing over and over and over again, and it's the golden rule of personal finance, which is spend less than you earn. And if you want to add a little bit of bonus, spend less than you earn and then invest the difference. To me, that's really exciting. That could mean that you hate budgeting, or you want your fancy car, or you like eating out every meal. Anything that we're going to talk about in this course, you can break that rule as long as you're spending less than you make. And I'm sure you're saying, well, of course, spend less than you earn. That's kind of like saying, to lose weight, you should eat less and exercise more. But the problem is, it's not obvious. To most people, debt is not only normal, it's accepted, and if you're spending more than you earn, you're never going to get ahead. At the end of the month, do you have money to pay your bills and a little bit left over? Or are you stretched to the end of the month? You don't know if you're going to have enough and are occasionally putting expenses on the credit card because you don't have enough. Most people not only spend what they earn, they spend much more than they earn. They're building up balances on their credit cards and student loans and car payments and mortgages. If you make a habit of spending more than you earn, you're guaranteeing you will not have a successful financial future. They say that personal finance is 10% math and 90% psychology, and I firmly believe that. It means that even though we understand the concepts, eat less to lose weight or spend less to save more money, actually doing it is the hard part. And that's the goal of this course. We want to provide you concrete steps to get your budget in order, spend less than you earn, and secure your financial future. By learning to spend less than you earn, you'll understand what it means to have freedom from debt and job-related stress and even car trouble. Say you broke down on the side of the road and you're out of money this month. That's a tremendous amount of stress trying to come up with the money to, say, fix your flat tire. Whereas if you have a little margin in your life, you're spending less than you earn, you have a little cushion in your bank account, unexpected emergencies like that are common and not a stressful experience. Now you might be saying there is no room in the budget. I can't make cuts anywhere. And in this course, we're going to talk about the difference between fixed and variable expenses. A fixed expense is anything required just to maintain life sustenance. It's a roof over your head, it's food in your mouth, it's transportation to get you to and from work. And then there are variable expenses that can kind of get intermingled and make it difficult to navigate the waters. Having financial margin in your life, spending less than you earn, means that money disagreements between you and your spouse are probably less frequent. You have a healthy relationship. You are in a position to give. You can give generously to friends and family or charitable organizations. In Lauren and I's marriage, we've learned that by giving up a few material possessions, we instead gain a less stressful relationship, life, and a more sustainable future. And we want to share with you how exactly we do that.